started right from teaser. We went to Tirupati, and I think as an actor, as a human, I've been wanting to go seek the blessings since many years. And I'm so grateful to Team Decoit because वो कहते हैं ना जब when the calling happens, that's when you visit the temple. And I think this is the best way to take the darshan. All I was doing was holding my hands and said, Supriya Garu, Shesh Garu, and Shanil Garu. All three S. You know, they are literally for me like on this film, they're like Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, making sure everything is taken care of, everybody is happy, everybody is performing, not just ऐसे वाला, top-notch performance. Everybody's health is taken care of. Since it's an action movie, there are scenes which are action, you know, which are injury-prone. And Shesh, Garu, Anurag sir, they all got injured. But how to deal with it? There were many circumstances where one episode, मैं आपको बताती हूँ, the set was ready. Because of the rain, the set got wiped off. But that lady sitting there, she didn't give up. She said, it's okay, we'll figure something out. We'll figure something out. There were many, many scenes like this. But having said that, today to be able to sit here, to talk about Decoit, to talk about such incredible talent sitting here on stage, to be collaborating with them, it's a blessing. And not just that, I felt like I was shooting a Hollywood film on this set. We have two Americans, we have two, you know, literally the idea, the filmmaking, the process, but they are so rooted. दिल से तेलुगु है, दिल से तेलुगु बोलते हैं, दिल से हैदराबादी है, दिल से. Yeah, and not everybody gets to do a Hollywood film. I'm very happy.
I said not everybody gets to do a Hollywood film and eat Hyderabadi food at the same time.
Exactly. So, coming back to your promotional question that I'm busy, I am busy, yes, you're right, but prepping for Decoit, we've been making sure that all the assets are ready, dubbing is done, trailer is sorted, and just making sure that whatever changes or whatever better performance ke liye I'm there in the studio, making sure that I'm giving my 100% because this film means the world to me. It's very easy when the film comes out, people just, you know, they'll review and all, but trust me, this entire team have worked relentlessly with broken knee, broken calf, no sleep, Nalgu, 4 days. So having said that, I'm just glad and happy that the trailer is released here in Hyderabad and just happy to meet you, sir.
Though you are doing other languages, so many films, but fortunately you got the best ones in Telugu only. How did it happen? How it is your choice or it is blessed?
Trust me, it's such a tempt when the other filmmakers, they reach out to me. The package is fantastic, but role I have to, with a big, heavy heart, I have to say no. Because I feel the benchmark that Sita Mahalakshmi has set, the benchmark that Yashna has set, I have to live up to that. Lalach buri bala hai. So with sometimes, no matter how big the opportunity is, I have to respectfully say, sir, I will wait for the right film.